Hey family, today I'm going to show you an easy way to make an animated map in LumaFusion. I'm Drew Smith from Smith Shots Films, and let's get into it. So have you ever seen those cool travel videos or vlogs where they have an animated video of a car or an airplane moving across a map, and you wanted to know how to do that in a simple, easy way? Okay, I did this in a super easy way, did not add any special effects or anything like that. Did it right in LumaFusion, and I'm going to show you now. So first thing you're going to do is go to Google and find an image of a map. I'm using Google Maps right now, and let's say that I wanted to go on a trip from Washington, D.C. to Miami Beach in Florida. So I type in my directions. I'm going from Washington, D.C. to Miami, Florida, and it gives me the route. Now I do this so I can see the actual road route, because in theory this is going to be a road trip that we're taking, right? And once I do that, I don't need the actual road direction anymore, so I clear that off. But I do know what the road route is, and it's pretty straightforward. You're just going basically 95 south. Now, once I have that on here, I'm going to turn on the screen record, and that is a critical piece. You are going to be recording yourself drawing on the screen, okay? So once I get the screen record on, I am then going to take a photo, and before I save this photo, it allows me to do some things to it. I can crop it. And I will crop it in so that I'm just showing the parts of the map that I want to. And also I can use the pencil tool, and I'm going to use the top one and make the line kind of thick. Then all I have to do while our screen record is going is trace out my route in red all the way down to Miami, Florida. I'll save that and then open up LumaFusion. Once I get into LumaFusion, I'm going to import the clip that I just made using the screen record into my project. Okay, there's a couple other things I want to have in my project. I want to label my start and end destination. So I'm going to add in a title layer, and we're going to make this Washington, D.C. And the other we're going to label as Miami, Florida. And we'll put those in position where they go on the map. And I'll just duplicate that same text for Washington, D.C. again here. This time it's going to be for Miami. And like I said, there are probably many other ways to make a much better animated map, but this is a super low-tech way. So next I'm going to grab the silhouette of the car. I'm just going to go to Google and type in car silhouette and find an image that I like. And I'll pick up an image in here that I like. I'm gonna go with this right here, a sporty looking SUV, and I will bring that into LumaFusion. And then under frame and fit, I am going to crop out the parts that I don't want. So I just have my sporty little SUV here. I'm gonna go under color and effects and choose the key in the top right hand corner. It kind of looks like a keyhole. And then I will select this color, and now I have a keyed out silhouette of a car. And then I will bring that in over top. This is a title layer. And then move it into the position where I like. Then once I get it into the position where I want to start the animation from the screen recording, I'm going under frame and fit, and I'm going to select the little the little white plus at the bottom, and then I'll play a little bit of the animation and then move the car to the next spot where I want it to be. And LumaFusion automatically is creating a keyframe there that'll follow the movements where I'm moving the car's silhouette. Then I play a little bit more of the animation, move the car silhouette again, play a little bit more, move the car again. And each time I play a little bit, move it, I'm getting a bunch of keyframes here that once I'm done, I will be able to play back. And as you can see, it's not quite following the way that I want it to, so I'll then go back, play the animation again, and make little tweaks. And each time I move the car to a new section where I might want it to be, it's saving a keyframe. And so you just kind of play with this until you get it to the point where you're happy with it. And like I said before, there's probably other ways that are much more sophisticated than this. This is a very low-tech, easy way to do it using the screen recording and LumaFusion. But it works and it's effective, and I hope that you get some value out of this. And if you're getting some value out of this video, will you please hit the like button and consider subscribing, because that helps me out a lot. Now you can also do this with other types of maps. Here I took another screenshot of a map and did the same drawing on it, and this time I'm using an airplane for my fictional trip to LA. And just get creative with it and see what you come up with. So now I want to take a minute to thank everyone who has supported this channel. I'm just starting this channel and I really appreciate all the love and support that I'm receiving. People are commenting and liking videos, and I really appreciate that. I just want to take a quick second to shout out some of the folks who have taken the time to leave a comment for me. My friend Dante is playing basketball overseas, and he left a comment on my first video, the vlog on iPhone 12 Max, and said I'm definitely getting one ASAP. And good luck to you out there, Dante. I'm sure you're gonna be winning all kinds of championships. My next comment is from my friend Art from Work of Art Projects, and he says that he wished he had known the clap loudly tactic on his film shoot. Art is a talented filmmaker and brand new director and actor, and he is working on a really dope project that's coming out pretty soon. I helped him work on some of that, and I'm definitely going to be plugging it here on the channel. And I just want you to know I appreciate your support. A couple other comments I got on the time-lapse video and vlog of the gazebo fix-up. My friend Cairo says fire, and LHS Late Show, my good friend Jimmy Rich says the fans in the gazebo are fire, and I appreciate it. Late Show also wants to know how he can do time lapse on his Nokia flip phone, and I think you should just get a new phone, man. Just forget about it. Okay, so the last comment, I want to thank Hiro Chiro, who says beautiful, thanks from Japan. And he's talking about the cherry blossom video. If you haven't seen that yet, it's really chill vibe and really beautiful cherry blossoms. And I know Japan has the best cherry blossoms in the world, so I appreciate that comment. If you haven't checked out that video, go check it out. And I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.